people, how you guys doing today? Guys, in today's video I'll be making barbecue chicken. So this is the chicken I'll be using. This chicken for the barbecue. I hope you're going to enjoy and learn more about how to make barbecue chicken. This is the easiest way to make barbecue chicken. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you are just joining in, you're welcome. God bless you. Please, if you are just passing by, kindly press subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Support me, support what I'm doing. Thank you so much. Come, let's get started.